Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from IBM. Finally, IBM is hiring 2023 password batch for Associate Systems Engineer role. What is the qualification? I'll discuss in this video. Eligibility is 60%. Salary will be 4.5 lakhs per annum. What is the selection process or exam pattern? I'll discuss in this video. And most important thing is there are total 3 steps to apply. If you will miss any one of these steps, then you will not able to get any online exam link from IBM. So please watch full video for better understanding. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box, then you will find this type of page. This is the job updates for you.com website. Here you can find the details of this job. So as you can see, role is associate systems engineer. Year of passing should be 2023 only. Qualification should be BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc or BCA candidates are eligible. Eligible branches are CSE, IT, Robotics, ISE, EE, ECE, EIE, AI, you can see AEIE, Triple E, ETE, Mathematics or Computing. So these are the eligible branches. Eligibility is 60% marks or 6 CGPA. Salary will be 4.5 lakhs per annum. Experience should be freshers. Test location and interview location will be virtual. Job location anywhere in India. Last date to apply, they did not mention any last date, so please apply as soon as possible. Education gap, if you have any education gap, don't worry, you can apply, you are eligible. You should not have any active backlogs. If you have any active backlogs, then you are not eligible. Regarding the bond, they did not mention anything, but there will be bond. So regarding the bond, they will mention in the offer letter. So how to apply? Simple, you need to click here. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this screen. Here as you can see, there are total 3 steps. Step 1, this is step 2, and this is step 3. So first let's discuss about the step 1. So for to complete step 1, you need to click here, IBM 2023 batch hiring step 1. Simply click here. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this official website here. So this is the screen here. You just scroll here, every details you can find. So what you have to do, simply you need to click here, apply to job or jobs. Here you need to log in if you already have an account. If you don't have any account, simply you can click here, don't have an account yet, you can create one account. After creating the account, you can simply log in, right? So you can click on this, agree. Then after that, you need to enter these details. Once you enter these details, and you need to you click on the continue, then you will be able to create one account. Once you create your account, then you need to log in, then you need to complete the application form. So that is step 1. After completing the step 1, right, after submitting the application, that is the step 1, you will receive an email. You will receive an email. In that email, they will mention your candidate reference number. That is the second step. Step 1 is you need to fill that form. Step 2 is you will receive candidate reference number on your registered email ID. Whatever email ID you will mention while applying, on that email ID you will receive a candidate reference number. So this is step 2. So basically for step 2, you don't need to do anything, IBM will do. So IBM will send you a candidate registration number, sorry, candidate reference number. So this is the step 2. So step 2 is simple, you need to note that reference number. Then because that reference number, that candidate reference number, you need in step 3. So what is the step 3? So you need to click here, step 3. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this screen. Just wait, page is loading. Yeah, it's loaded. Now you can see here, event date 14th December 2022 here. So most probably your exam will be on 14th December 2022. So here you need to click here, register. Once you click here, register, then it will redirect you on this form. So basically you have to fill this form. All the details you can fill here. Yeah, one more thing here you can see. So here 2 things let me discuss. One is this, IBM candidate reference number. So this is the step 2. You will find this number in the step 2. You will receive this number in the step 2. This is done. Now here one more thing they are asking, IBM job ID. I forgot to mention where you will find. Let me tell you. So simple, you need to click here, step 1. Once you click here, step 1, here you will find this one. So this is the job ID. So this job ID you need to put there. Here you need to put that job ID, whatever just I discussed. Yeah, this is the job ID. You need to put this job ID here, right? and IBM candidate reference number, you will receive this candidate reference number via email. Yeah, other things you can easily fill, right? After filling all the details, simple click on this checkbox and click on this checkbox. Here you can upload any certification if you have any certification, right? Yeah, if you don't have, simple, there is one option. Yeah, actually there is no option if you don't have any certification. So you must have any skills certificate. For example, if you have done any internship, or if you don't have any certificate, don't worry, you can just complete a course using Udemy. There are a lot of free courses with certificate. You can complete any one of the course using Udemy, Coursera. There are a lot of courses, right? After that you can simple upload that certificate here. Yeah, after that you need to click here submit. Once you click on the submit, then you are done. You don't need to do anything, just keep preparing for the exam. Yeah, so this is done. Now let me discuss about this selection process. So selection process, this one. So there will be total 3 rounds. Round 1 will be online coding test, that is IBM CodeNet NQT. So this is the just name of this selection process. So here, in the round 1 there will be coding questions on HackerRank platform. So this is one step 1. Once you qualify this round, then you will be eligible for round 2. Round 2 will be English language test. So here there will be some MCQ questions. Duration will be 10 minutes. Once you qualify round 2 as well, then you will be eligible for round 3, that is interview. And in the round 3 there will be total 2 steps, that is one is 2 sub round, you can say. One is technical interview and second one is HR interview. Once you qualify both the rounds in the round 3, then you will receive an offer letter from IBM. Yes, yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.